নমস্কাৰ লক্ষীদেৱ দাস ইনফৰমেশ্যন ইউটিউব চেনেল আপোনালোক সকলোকে স্বাগতম। মই এতিয়া IIBF এক্সাম কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন মই আপোনালোকৰ মাজলৈ লৈ আহিছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকে এক্সামটো দি কোৱালিফাই হয় আপোনালোকে বেংক BC বা বেংক মিত্ৰ বা CSP খুলিব পাৰিব। সেইসমূহ আপোনালোকে ইয়াত ধুনীয়াকৈ চাই পেলাই এক্সামটো দিব পাৰিব আৰু এই এক্সামটো পাছ কৰিলে আপোনালোকে সেইখিনি কৰিব পাৰিব। আৰু আপোনালোকে যদি পোনপ্ৰথমে মোৰ চেনেললৈ আহিছে তো কাষতে থকা ৰঙা কালাৰ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব বটনটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু বেল আইকনটো অল কৰিব। তেতিয়া এনেধৰণৰ উপযোগী ভিডিঅ'সমূহ আপোনালোকে শুনিব বা চাবলৈ সক্ষম হ'ব। চ' আমি বেছি দেৰি নকৰোঁ, আমাৰ আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। IIBF exam question paper in English 2021. As per the guideline issued by SEBI, companies are required to list share with how many days of the closure of the Indian public officers post. ইয়াত মই শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো ৰঙা কালাৰ কৰি থৈছোঁ, নহ'বা ভিডিঅ'সমূহ বহুত দীঘল হ'ব। চ' সেইকাৰণে আপোনালোকে ৰঙা আমাৰ এনসাৰটো হ'ব 12 days. Number 2, question number 2 is a point at which customer makes a payment to the merchant in exchange of good or service. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ব point of sale. What is the USP of saving account? শুদ্ধ এনসাৰ easy operation. Question number 4 DRTS can enter case of recovery for rupees. Here should the answer hold 10 lakhs and above. Question number 5 saving money in the bank account offers the opportunity to invest in that pay dash interest rate on deposit. Here should the answer A high. Which is prohibited for writing on currency notes. Here শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো all of above. ইয়াত A দিছে political message, B দিছে religious message, C দিছে personal message. এইখিনি কোনোখিনিতে আপোনালোকে কাৰেঞ্চি নোটত লিখিব নোৱাৰিব, সেইকাৰণে all of above. শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো all of above. Question number 7 who can open bank account? Answer A Indian citizen, non-resident Indian, illiterate, all of above. গোটেইকেইটাই শুদ্ধ, সেইকাৰণে এনসাৰটো D all of above. Question number 8 parallel berry relationship is application in answer to all keep articles in safe custody with bank. Question number 9 is the agreement by which one makes regular payment to a company which is return pays and arrange sum in case of any sense damage, loss or death. Answer whole insurance. Question number 10 NI means শুদ্ধ answer to non-resident of India. Question number 11 a non-banking financial company which carries on the business of execution of shares and securities and safeties certain condition is called. Here শুদ্ধ answer to hold Core Investment Company. Question number 12 saving account contains some restriction regarding. Here শুদ্ধ answer to hobo here A দিছে number of withdrawals per quarter, B দিছে amount of withdrawals per transaction in ATM, C দিছে number of deposit into the account per quarter. Here শুদ্ধ answer both A and B above. Question number 13 NABARD provides reference assistance for. Here answer আছে all of the above. গোটেইকেইটাই হয়। A অপশ্যনত দিছে প্ৰমোশ্যন অফ এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ, B দিছে প্ৰমোশ্যন অফ স্মল স্কেল ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি, C দিছে কটেজ এণ্ড ভিলেজ ইণ্ডাষ্ট্ৰি। সেইকাৰণে গোটেইকেইটা হয়, সেইকাৰণে অল অফ এবভ দিছে। শুদ্ধ এনচাৰটো অল অফ দ্য এবভ। Question number 14 regional rural banks carry on normal banking business as defined in ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল বেংকিং ৰেগুলেশ্যন এক্ট 1949 Question number 15 loans up to rupees can be settled through local adalats ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল 20 lakhs Question number 16 which of the following fall under the quantitative methods of credit control adopted by Reserve Bank of India ইয়াত অপশন দিছে A দিছে selective credit control B দিছে credit authorization scheme C দিছে moral suasion D দিছে all of the above এই গুটেকিটা হয় সেইকাৰণে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল all of the above Question number 17 the currency note issued by RBI have a percent cover in ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ answer approved assets A number to শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ Question number 18 which of the following training establishment is not run by Reserve Bank of India ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ answerটো হ'ল NIBM কেইবাটাও আনসাৰ দিছে ইয়াত দেৰি হ'ব ভিডিওটো যেহেতু সেইকাৰণে মই শুদ্ধ আনসাৰবিলাক ৰেড কালাৰ কৰি দিছো আপোনালোকে চাই পেলাই দিব পাৰিব Question number 19 fixed deposit cannot be ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ answer transferred to third parties Question number 20 regional rural banks are classified under ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ answer to public sector banks Question number 21 ICICI provide financial assistance to ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ answer large scale industries Question number 22 1 rupee note bear to signature of ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধতা to answer to whole Secretary Ministry of Finance Government of India Question number 13 SAFESI Act is applicable for loan outstanding up to rupees ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধতা to whole 10 lakhs Question number 24 coins are issued by ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ answer to A হয় Government of India Question number 25 rates of interest at saving account does not depends on how much you save here it to whole false শুদ্ধতা to false Question number 26 the majority stake in NABARD is held by RBI শুদ্ধ answer C RBI Question number 27 in personal finance saving specific high risk preservation of money etu শুদ্ধ answer B false Question number 28 Exim Bank concentrates on শুদ্ধ answer A medium term financing Question number 29 PPF means শুদ্ধ answer to public provident fund Question number 30 which of the following is Indian owned domestic card network RuPay শুদ্ধ answer to C RuPay in it intensive states or to enhance investment in agriculture and allied sectors to achieve 4% growth rate Question number 31 which of the above statement are correct answer whole C both 1 and 2 Question number 32 under PMJDY overdraft facility will be allowed in the SB accounts শুদ্ধ answer to whole S running OD facility for 36 months subject to annual review of account Question number 33 under PMSBY accident death claim is available for শুদ্ধ answer to whole rupees 2 lakhs Consider the following statement regarding Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana It is to provide comprehensive insurance coverage against crop loss It is compulsory for farmers availing crop loans for notified crops in notified areas and voluntary for non-loany farmers non-profitable localized the claimed link rings along with post-harvest risks are also covered. The scheme will employ remote sensing technology, smartphone and drones for quick estimation of crop losses to ensure early statement of claims. Question number 34. Which of above statements are correct? Answer to all. Question number 35. Currency notes are issued by answer to RBI. Question number 36. Gold or silver ornaments should be kept in bank lockers. Option D is A, it is safe. B is no risk. Thief. C is both A and B. D is none of above. Should answer to both A and B. Consider the following statements regarding Up India scheme. Number 1, it aims at fostering entrepreneurship and promoting innovation by creating an ecosystem that is conducive for growth of startups. Number 2, according to scheme, a startup an entity that is headquartered in India, which was opened less than 5 years ago and has an annual turnover less than 25 crore. Number 3, Rural India's version to Startup India was named the Deen Dayal Upadhyay Sanjeevani Yojana. Number 4, tax exemption to startups for 10 years. Others concession will be provided under the scheme. Question number 37. Which of the above statements are correct? Answer only 1, 2 and 3 is correct. Question number 38. ATM password to be shared only with answer A as a spouse, B as a obedient son, C as a obedient daughter. Should answer to none of above. Question number 39. What are the benefits attached to PMJDY? Should answer to all of above. A as accident insurance cover up to 1 lakh. B as a life insurance covered of rupees 30,000. C as a overdraft facility up to 5,000. All of above. Should answer to all of above. Question number 40. To whom overdraft facility of rupees 5,000 in PMJDY account is available? Should to all of above. A as a after 6 months of satisfactory conducted of account. B as a one account per household. C as a customers in age group of 18 to 60 years. Should answer to all of above. Question number 41. What is RuPay debit card? Should answer to all of above. A as a domestic debit card. B as introduced by National Payment Corporation of India. C as accepted to all ATMs and post machines. Should answer to all of above. Question number 42. Mudra has been sent by whom? To whole A, Government of India. Question number 43. What is the use of Mudra card and how it can be used? Answer both A and B. Both of above. Ek number is in drawing cash from ATM business correspondent. 2 is make purchase using point of sale post machine. Both of above. Question number 44. What is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana? PMSBY. Should answer accidental insurance cover. Question number 45. Self-help group involves. Should answer to all of above. A number is a group of 5 to 20 people. B is a regular saving habits. C is a interleading within the group members. So here answer to all of them. Question number 46. Is the logo of answer to Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Question number 47. PMGDY life insurance of rupees 30,000 is available for first time account open. Answer to between 15 August 2014 and 26 January 2015. Question number 48. Who can open account under PMGDY? Answer to all of above. Option is A minor above the age of 10 years. B is only lady for house. C is only head of the family. All of above. Question number 49. PAN number is required for answer to deposit of 50,000 and above. যদি 50,000 के ऊपर যদি একাউন্টত জমা কৰিবলগীয়া হয় তে PAN number দিবলগীয়া হয়. Question number 50. The liquidity premium theory suggests that yearly curves should usually be answer to whole A upsloping. Consider the following statement regarding Hunar Haat. Number 1. Hunar Haat skill hat is the exhibition of handicraft embroidery etc. made by artisans from the majority communities organized by the Ministry of Culture. 2 years they will be provided free of the cost stall the arrangement for their transport and their daily expenses. Question number 51. Which of the above statements are correct? Answer whole but 2. Only 2. Question number 52. What is RuPay debit card? Here the answer all of above. Answer A is a domestic debit card. B is introduced by National Payment Corporation India. C is accepted at ATM's post machine. All of above. All of above. Consider the following statement regarding Janani Sasisi Suraksha Rakha JSSK. Number 1. That scheme entitles all pregnant women delivering in public health institute to an absolutely free and no expense delivery accepted co-section. Number 2. Entitlements include free drugs and connubial etc. for mothers as well as sick newborn till 30 days after birth. Question number 53. Which of the above statements are correct? Answer to all only 2. Question number 54. Bank needs to offer a non-stop interactivity with customer for building up loyalty with them. It should answer to A true. Question number 55. Information in financial market estimating the means. Should answer to whole B. Borrowing would have more information than lenders. Question number 56. The borrowers can avail the credit in hassle-free and flexible manners with the Mudra card, which is a should answer to whole A. Debit card with sanction limit. Question number 57. There is no guarantee that a bond issuer will make promise payment is known as which one of the following. Should answer to A. Default risks. Question number 58. Kisan cards are issued to farmers to enable them to should answer to D. Requirements and working capital requirements for allied activities. Question number 59. Which of the following is the procedure of finding out the present value PV? ইয়াৰ এনসাৰ শুদ্ধটো হ'ল এ discounting. Question number 60. Which one of the following is the nearest definition of money? Here the answer to whole B M1. Question number 61. Which one of the following is the major component of the money supply in the Indian economy? Here the answer to C. Currency and deposit component both. Question number 62. According to the norms prescribed by RBI for setting up of white label ATMs, what is the minimum net worth of NBFCs should have? Here the answer to C, rupees 100 crore. Question number 63. What will be the result of difference of real and normal interest rate? Here the answer to all B, the effect of inflation. Question number 64. Bonds that are issued by government are called. Yeah, the answer to all B, treasury bond. Question number 65. The shape of the yield curve seems to predict the preference of the economy with the answer to hold D, usually 1 year lag. Question number 66. Bank does not provide loans for the answer to D, drinking and gambling. Question number 67. Stock market bubbles can lead to the answer to hold B, stock market cases. Question number 68. The fact that common stockholders are additional claimants means the answer to hold B, the stockers receive the remains after everyone else is paid. Before other claims are paid, consider the following statement regarding Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Housing for All URBAN. Act number 8 envisions housing for all by 2019 and subsequent Rajiv Awas Yojana and Rajiv Rihana Yojana. 2.8 covers 4041 sanitary towns as per census 2011. Question number 69. Which of the above statements are correct? Answer only 2. Question number 70. Service market is the same as answer whole relationship marketing. Question number 71. What was the deposit amount for the 14 banks nationalized on 19 July 1969? Yeah, the answer to whole D, rupees 50 crores. Question number 72. RTGS scheme is issued for high value transactions which require an immediate clearing. It should answer to hold true. Question number 73. Where is the headquarters of Reserve Bank of India? Here should answer to A, Mumbai. Reserve Bank headquarters is Mumbai. Question number 74. Seat subscriber sell in his turn as detected by a lot or by acquisition or by tender or in such other way as might be determined in the seat agreement be entitled to the price sum. It to hold answer to hold true A. Question number 75. CAZT MSC stand for? Here should answer to D, Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. Question number 76. NPA stand for? Here should answer non-performing assets. NPA full form to hold non-performing assets. Question number 77. Marketing of service is adopted in which of the following? Here should answer to bank and hotels. Question number 78. Simple project profits for running or setting up for micro/small enterprises is available at ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল B মুদ্ৰা website. Question number 79. How many banks are nationalized in the second phase in 1980? ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল B6. Question number 80. Board for Financial Supervisor BFS constituted in 1994 by RBI to undertake considered supervision of all of above. শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো A দিছে commercial bank, B দিছে financial institution, C দিছে non banking financial companies. এখানে ইয়াৰ উত্তৰটো হ'ল all of above. Question number 81. SEBI are regular of securities market in India was established in the year 1988 but was empowered with sanitary powers in the form of act in the year. Yaar khuddo answer to 1992. Question number 82. State Bank of India was constituted on 1st July 1995. Khuddo answer to C. Question number 83. Who is a very senior citizen? Yaar khuddo answer to A person who is 65 years and above. যাৰ যিসকলৰ 65 বছৰ ওপৰ হৈছে সেইসকল senior citizen হয়. Question number 84. Maintenance of the following books/register is not compulsory of SSG. ইয়াত answer দিছে A number দিছে my notes book, B দিছে saving loans register, C দিছে visitor book, D দিছে members passbook. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো visitor books to compulsory নহয়, থাকিব পাৰে না থাকিব পাৰে. এটো শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল visitor book. Question number 85. Farmers Club were initially started by NABARD in 1982 as Vikas Voluntary Bhavani program to program the 5 principles of development through A number is saving, B is credit, C is recovery, D number is meetings and discussion. Here শুদ্ধ to whole credit, B number to শুদ্ধ. Question number 86. Development financial institution in India that has got merged with a bank is কোনটো bank আছিলে এটো ICICI bank আছিল. Question number 87. This is simply the use of electronic means to transfer funds directly from one account to another rather than by check or cash. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ল C e-banking. Aadhaar number is a dash digit number. এটো 12 digit. Aadhaar card to 12 digit number থাকে. Question number 89. What is debit direct benefit transfer? ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল C transfer to social benefits subsidized directly in bank account of beneficiaries. Question number 90. Is the process of recreating design by analyzing a final product? ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল reverse engineering. P নম্বৰটো শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ. Question number 91. Kiosk bank the transaction are done through. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল credit card. C নম্বৰটো শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ. Question number 92. Which of the following are the benefits of e-banking, e-marketing? One whole speed. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল all 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question number 93. Which of the following is the largest community in classification of e-commerce? ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ল A business to business, B plus B. Question number 94. What are the steps taken by the government to monitor the progress under PMGDY scheme? All of above. A number is that the government has set up an extensive mechanism for generating data. B দিছে the data will be used to monitor the progress of the scheme at various stages ongoing basis. C দিছে banks and other agencies will be involved. So সেইকাৰণে all of the above. The শুদ্ধ এন্সাৰটো হ'ল D. Question number 95. Rural banks product includes which of the following? Here শুদ্ধ এন্সাৰটো all of above. All of the above. এক নম্বৰ দিছে এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ বেংকিং প্ৰডাক্ট, বি দিছে মাইক্ৰ ক্ৰেডিট, চি দিছে এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ক্ৰেডিট। সেইকাৰণে গোটেইকেইটাই শুদ্ধ, সেইকাৰণে all of the above. Yeah, question number 96. The client's resistance behavior are unimportant to a successful financial counselor. It will false. Question number 97. Who are the target groups of Swabhilaman scheme? Here শুদ্ধ এন্সাৰটো হ'ল B. People working in unorganized sector. ইয়াৰ শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো এইটো। ইমানখিনি টাইম আপোনালোকে দিয়াৰ কাৰণে খুব গুৰুত্ব সহকাৰে শুনাৰ বাবে আপোনালোক সকলোকে ধন্যবাদ। আৰু আপোনালোকে ইমানখিনি দিয়াৰ কাৰণে আপোনালোকে লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব। সেইখিনিৰ কাৰণে থেংক ইউ।